In this video, I'll show you how to add page numbers to a PDF for free using Stirling PDF. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, I've got a PDF here. I'll just open it up. And obviously it's going to open up in Microsoft Edge depending on what platform you've pointed it to open up with. So as you can see, this PDF does not have page numbers. Now, let's assume you'd like it to have page numbers. It's super simple. As I mentioned, I'm going to be using Stirling PDF. That's available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Now, I've opened it up, and all I need to do is just now drag my PDF right there. It's going to load up, and you're going to see it's the same PDF. There are no page numbers to that particular PDF. Now, once that is done, all I need to do is just go to the right side, right here, and scroll down just a little bit, and click on add page numbers right here. So click on it and it's going to load a couple of extra options, and you'll see the file that you're adding the page numbers to, and then you can see the position on the pages you've got up here, right there, right there. Now I'd prefer to put it at the footer and then center it right there. It's more or less what's standard, but if you have any preference for any other position, obviously not at the center, but maybe at the header section here, then you can do that as well. So I'll just scroll down. This preview is approximate. Final output may vary due to PDF font metrics, so that's okay. And then pages and starting number, pages to number. Now I'll leave it as the default, so you can number page 1, 3, 5, whatever you want, or you can just leave it empty for all pages to get page numbers, and then the starting page number is going to be 1 right there. You can also customize the appearance, that is medium size, font, the padding, the font, etc. I'll leave everything as it is and just click on add page numbers. So there we go. If we scroll down slightly, you'll now see 1, and then you'll see 2 and 3. Our PDF has page numbers now. Now all you need to do now is just click on save as. Don't click on save because it's going to overwrite the file. Just click on save as, and then you can call it whatever with page numbers. Click on save right there. If we go back to our folder, we now have a new PDF with page numbers. If I click on open it and scroll down slightly, you'll see now the page numbers are available for you. And that is how to easily add page numbers to PDF for free using Stirling PDF. That's it for this video. I hope it's of value to you. Thanks for watching.